How to transfer group members from one group to another group on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can invite different group members from different groups to another group. So the first thing you want to do is launch your application and make sure that you have updated your application to the latest version. And once you do that, just make sure that you are in a group right here. So if, let's say, I want to invite members from this group to the other group, so I'm just going to go to my other group right here and go to the group info. And if I scroll down here, I get an option to invite a link. So I'm just going to copy this link. And once you do that, just go back and paste it on another group. So if any of the members tap on this group chat right here, they will automatically be added to this group called test, and they will be able to join this other group. And that's how you basically transfer or invite members from one group to another on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new updates. And I'll see you on the next video.